I am Tyagi Sonkar, welcoming you all to Holy Land of Lord Buddha. I am very delighted to share you all vibrant and beautiful campus of Autonomous State Medical College, Kushinagar. Join us to our college campus tour video to have a glimpse of academic block, multipurpose hall, open theatre, library, girls hostel, boys hostel, badminton court and associated hospital.
So hello everyone, I am Sarvesh Gupta, a first year MBBS student of Autonomous State Medical College, Kushinagar. As you can see, right behind us, this is academic block of our campus, which is a 7-story building with 3 lecture theatre. Here, we are getting comfortable learning and combining theoretical knowledge with practical skill. Here, our faculty members are our best mentor. This is ground floor of our campus, which is comprises of a library, which is covered in this video, a computer hall, a sitting area for the admission purposes, and a storeroom, etc. So let's continue with our library. Our library providing a comfortable and peaceful learning for the students. The timing of this library is from 12 noon to 8 p.m. for girls and 12 noon to 10 p.m. for boys. Coming on the first floor, this is the first floor of our campus, which comprises of cabin for the head of department of anatomy, associate professor, assistant professor, and tutor, which also include one lecture theatre, a demonstration room, a DH hall, and a store layer.
So this is our LT1, which comprises of 120 sitting capacity, a digital podium, a digital smart board, and it is fully air conditioned, which provide us a peaceful environment. And also the digital classes are very attractive for the students to understand the topic much better.
So this is demonstration room of our campus, which include a smart board and 50 student sitting capacity. Further, coming on the second floor. Second floor comprises of cabin for the head of department of physiology, associate professor, assistant professor, and tutor, which also include one lecture theatre, commonly known as lecture theatre 2, a clinical lab, amphibian lab, and hemat lab, and also a demonstration room. Moving on the third floor comprises of 2 departments, biochemistry department and community medicine department, which have their separate cabin for head of departments and a demonstration room as usual and experimental lab for the purposes of biochemistry experiments.
As no students are upgraded to their upper grades without giving the final exam, you all are welcome to our grand examination hall. Myself, Atharva Pandey, a first year MBBS student here in SMC Kushinagar. This hall, just like me, welcomes you all. This hall having a capacity of 100 plus students. Here, our pre-prof and prof exams are being conducted. This hall is located on the 5th floor. Full air condition provides you with a great view of Padrona's flora, fauna and the landscape. If you are caught being cheated, you are going to be seated beside the window so that you can enjoy the view without having no worries.
I'm Prashad Varun and I'm here to introduce you to our multipurpose hall in Open Theatre. So this is our multipurpose hall. All the cultural fests and events are organized in this hall. It comprises of 150 plus seating capacity and all the basic amenities and facilities required to conduct an official event or program. Recently we conducted our cultural fest which was awesome and it was conducted in December 2024. So moving forward, this is our open theatre. It comes with 100 plus seating capacity and enough space to conduct Nukkad Natak and dramas. It is very pleasant and soothing ambience.
So this is our boys hostel. It has 7-story building in which at each floor there will be 14 rooms. So let's move inside. So this is our ground floor. Firstly, we have the reception area. Now this is our visitor area for the parents to stay. We have the dining hall area for the mess. But currently, the mess is not operating here. It will shift it into the canteen area. Now, after that, let's talk about the recreational room. Recreational room is having for the gathering and for the partying. We have the both facility. There will be the staircase area and lift area. So now, let's move to the room. So let's move for the room tour. This room will be shared by 2 pupils. Of course, for 2 people, we have 2 beds, 2 mattress, 2 tables, 2 chairs, and 2 tube lights. Also, we have the emergency bulb. Also, we have the curtains, window area for proper ventilation, and 2 wardrobe for 2 peoples.
Hey everyone, I am Shivanshi. So till now you would have seen the other campus area. I am here to show you the girls hostel, which is a home away from home, absolutely for me. Talking constructively, it is a 5-story building which provides conducive and secure environment for all the girls residing here. Okay, so we are standing at the very ground floor. This is the entrance. As we come in, we got to see the reception area where you'll find the list of entrance and exits. Now as we come along, this side we'll find out the visitors room where the resident girls, they can have some space, some personal time with their guardians. Now this is the most prominent part of the girls hostel, that is the recreational or the reading room. I can absolutely remind and recall about many of the instances where all of us would have been celebrating number of occasions here. Now after that, what we have is the dining hall where we absolutely eat number of delicious dishes. Now these are the lift, just for the sake of your convenience. But to avoid the sedentary lifestyle, we do have these stairs which will lead us to the first floor. Now, okay, so this is us on the first floor. Now, let us have a closer peep into the room. Okay, this is the place where we relax after those hectic college hours sometimes. So in this room, what you get from the college side is absolutely 2 beds, then 2 mattresses, then we have 2 tube lights, then we have 1 ceiling fan, and apart from that, for emergencies, we have 1 emergency light. And for your safety and personal space, we have window for proper ventilation, and apart from that, we have a pair of curtains. Now this is the side of your almirah. You get 2 pair of almirah, those shelves. This room, as you can see, it is shared by 2 people, which will enhance your bonding with your peers. Okay, just like this, we have 5 floors, and each floor or story, it is accompanied by 12 rooms. So 12 into 5 is, you tell in the comment section.
Hello again. again, let's talk about the fee structure and connectivity of our college. So let's start with the fee structure. The fee structure for our college is, for general category it's 36,000 per year. For OBC and SC/ST category students is 26,000 per year. The hostel fees is 4,800 per year. The mess charges are variable, approximately 4,000 per student for respectively for girls and boys mess. Let's start with the connectivity part. The ASMC Kushinagar has good connectivity options. The transport, you can use your local transport to reach our college. The bus station and railway station is approximately 5 kilometers apart. The main city Padrona is also 5 kilometers apart from our college. The associated hospital is also approximately 5 kilometers apart. The interesting part is our college is located in Kushinagar, in which the Lord Buddha takes its last breath. For the sake of this, many temples are present over here, which is the international tourist spot. Thank you for being with us till the end.